Hello and welcome back. This is Dr. Gerard Cuomo. I'm going to summarize again. We used some various parts here with this implant rescue on number 9 and 11. Success today couldn't have been accomplished without obviously the patient was very comfortable and we got through this. Here are the healing abutments, and I have a great team, great dental assistant helped me out here with the case, making sure that we stay in sync, put all the pieces of the puzzle. And there they are, the two final pieces. These are called healing abutments or tissue healers, as we call them. And that's going to allow that tissue now to heal properly. Just wanted to show you the final. So we'll take that last x-ray for our doc who referred the patient. And then they're good to go on making a new bridge for this beautiful man that's in the chair. And God willing, God bless, that we're all doing this for such a good cause. And great people, great techniques out there too. Take good care. See you in the next case. Dr. Gerard Cuomo with implant rescue, mechanical implant rescue.